This is an OB1 low volt text video in regards to the proper wiring for a timer on a Liftmaster gate opener. This is an RS-L12U. The timer that my original supplier provided was this gentleman right here. When connecting it, I believe I must have tripped something. This timer did not work, but it would have if these contacts here are metal, and I think I made a mistake when I was connecting it up. So if I were to use this timer, it would be number 1 is your positive, 2 is your negative, 3, this is your common port, 4 is your normally closed, 5 is your normally open. How it works is there's accessory power down here, and I would connect that to 1 and 2. You'll notice that there are plus and minus, easy enough. Then up top here you have 4 terminals, open, close, stop, and common. The jumper was installed when I received the gate opener. Leave that in position. If I was using this, I would have put my black wire on number 3, which is the common, and my red wire on number 5, which is normally open. I would have then programmed the timer to trip at a certain time and turn off at a certain time. That would allow the gate to open. Here I have a timer to close, so anytime the gate is opened, when the timer is not on, it closes at just under 10 seconds. Here is the new timer that was installed. You'll notice that the AC power down here goes to the exact same position where it says accessory power. Over here on the side, we have 3 terminals. There is a common, a normally open, and a normally closed. Same thing, common black goes to common, normally open, red goes to the open the gate. Hopefully this helps. Once again, this is an OB1 low volt text video. Enjoy.